Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Let's make winter special Belgavi style Surti Papdi, that is Indian beans bhaji. You can see the Surti Papdi. It is available during this season only, December up to January. Let us clean the papdi now. Remove the strings. We will check inside if there are worms or it is spoiled, and then break into two. The thick skinned ones have to be discarded and only the seeds have to be taken. Now wash and transfer to pressure cooker. We will add haldi, that is turmeric, half teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon chili powder to cook in the pressure cooker. Now add water, say half a cup, not more, and pressure cook for 2 whistles. Cool it, and then we will give a tadka. Chop onion. These are two medium size onion. Chop finely, not very fine. This is enough. Now heat a kadai. Add 4 teaspoon oil. Any sunflower or til oil, sesame oil will do. Now add the chopped onion. There is no other tadka like mustard or hing. We will add crushed garlic, 2 tablespoon. You can add even more. The papdi has lot of strong odor. The flavor is very strong. So to balance that, we need to add the onion garlic. Now stir fry the onion. Add the garlic. This is not crushed very finely. It is not a paste. It is just crushed. Now add salt to taste. There is no salt for the vegetable. So I have added little more. Now add the cooked papdi. Check if the papdi is cooked. If not, you will have to cook little more. Usually it cooks in 2 whistles. The seeds may not get cooked, so you will have to check. Now add chopped coriander, 2 to 3 tablespoons, and fresh coconut, around 3 tablespoons. To balance that strong taste, we have to add this quantity of fresh coconut. Now add half tablespoon goda masala. This is the Maharashtrian goda masala. If you don't have, you can add Kitchen King or any other garam masala which has a less spice in that. Add 1 tablespoon jaggery and cook well. This vegetable is an acquired taste. Everybody may not like it, and since I have eaten it from childhood, this is my favorite. Serve hot with rotis or fulkas. Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.